Welcome to Language Training Institute Certificate 4 in TESOL and Diploma of TESOL. This is a short step-by-step video of how to log in and use the online system. Let's start by first having a look at our emails. So each student usually gets an email which is titled Online Learning Registration Details, and here you can simply click on the Learner Portal URL. So I'm just going to click on that and it will bring me to another page. And as you can see, it's taken me to the TOS home page. Over to the right here we have our login, so I'm just going to press that, and as you can see, this asks me to put in my login details. So I'm going to go straight back to my email, double click, highlight and copy, and then paste it into the username, and again go back to the email again, right click, copy and paste that into the password. And I'm going to remember my username just to make it a little easier to log in, and I press the login. Now this will take me to a page where I have to change my password. So I'm going to paste in my current password, and then here I'm going to click on my new password and confirm it there as well. Now it is important that you do put the 8 characters, at least 1 digit, lowercase and an uppercase, as well as a non-alphanumeric character in there as well. I'm then going to save those changes and press continue. This will take me to my TOS homepage, as we have seen before. And here I have the course and practical placement information, Certificate 4 in TESOL and the Diploma of TESOL. So let's have a quick look at the course and practical information folder. We have general information, and here we have a few videos of how to log in, how to access the materials on TOS, as well as uploading assignments, and our study guide for both the Diploma and Certificate 4 in TESOL. We also have the practice teaching guide, which is very important for you to have a look at before you begin your course. Moving back to the home page, if you are a Certificate 4 in TESOL student, you'll be clicking here. If you're a Diploma of TESOL student, you'll be clicking here. So let's have a quick look in both of them to see the content. Certificate 4 has 9 core units, and the remaining units are elective units, and you can choose one of those as your 10th unit, your elective unit. You simply click into each of the units, and there you have all of the course content needed for that unit, as well as this assessment submission. Moving back to the home page, Diploma students is the same thing. However, you have 14 core units. The first 9 of which are the same as the Certificate 4, and then you also have 5 units that are core diploma units. Again, if we click into any one of these, it will take us to all of the course content and assessments. Moving back to the home page, so as you can see, this is quite an easy site to navigate. If you so happen to lose your password, or if you've forgotten it, all you have to do is click forgotten your username or password, and this will give us an email directly, and we will be able to help you. So there you go. I hope that has been helpful for you to log in and navigate the online learning system for Language Training Institute.